Hello guys, welcome back to Apprentices Club. Today we're going to solve another CTF challenge name called HSC Jack. So what is the basic penetration testing methodologies we use here? So the basic penetration testing methodologies we use here: network discovery, enumeration, exploitation, privilege escalation, and capture the flag. So first we just open the terminal, you just type here as sudo su and enter your password. Then you just type here as net discover minus I is 0. So you have identified your target machine. So I have identified my target machine is this one. Now let's do next a uh, Nmap. So just type here as Nmap minus 34 minus A as an aggressive scan and enter our targeted IP address. So one is available with the SH, another one is port is available with an 80 that is hosted in the Ubuntu server, another one is available with the RPC byte that does not care. So another one is available with the net biosystem 445, and NFS network file system is also available in this. So on PostScript results we have got a somewhat a useful information. So we would like to walk to your targeted domain. You just look here, Cheesy Jack. So where you can look here, so where you can understand here it is as a local domain. So you just copy this one. I just come back here. So you just type arrows nano etc posters. Let's come back here. So you just enter our targeted IP address 192.168.18.100 to a jessejack.local. So just type Ctrl O and Ctrl X. So I just save this. So just type cat and etc posters. So where you have got this jessejack.local where we have identified here. Now it's also we have in this as a network file system. So we just come back here, open new tab. You just type here as let's just make it a little bit big. You just type a show mount and enter our targeted IP address 192.168.18.800. So where I have got here as chess 3 man. Okay, so great. Now we have got it a little bit information here. Now we don't want to clone this XYZ thing, so I just need to go as with the directory buster and then you just enter here. Now we would like to see here what else we can get it from here with the directory busters. So if you want to copy the entire of network file systems, we already did that one. So that may take a long lengthy time process to perform all those things. So now we would like to look this how it will be done. I have file here, one is with an asset, so just copy this one. Let's come back, then let's just paste it. So where I have got like a vendor, in the vendor like it is in bootstrap, it is all like a CSS with JavaScript, so you just don't need these assets. Then after the assets, what we can get here, forms. Let's just copy, come back. So we would like to look in the forms is like a readme.txt, uh, fully working with the PHP Ajax. Contact for a script is available in the version of the template. You can buy it from here. Okay, no need. Then let's go back, index.html. So in this case, I didn't get any useful information. So here, I not yet get anything else. So I just go with as nicto minus h. Then you just type here as enter our target. Type it as 18.100. So let it run that one. Now just open new tab. Now I just want to go with as a go buster. You just type yes, enter your password if you know how. So let's clone this go buster. We have installed this buster. Then let's see here in this we not yet find any useful information. So In this case, let's go back. We have opened this. Now let's come back history. Now where we just yes, this is an readme.txt. Free templates. Let's we would like to close this in the forms. uh, contact.php. Unable to load the PHP email for a library. We would like to look as no, we not yet get any useful content here. Okay, that's quite well and good. Now, uh, we would like to try as a something. Now, let's we would like to try here as so first we would like to go this ego buster escape. These options we not get any useful information, so let me just type here as go buster a directory minus q http enter our target type here as 192.168.18.100, then specify the word list is user share word list, then you just type here as directory buster, then you just type a directory list a 2.3 medium.txt. That's it. Let's we would like to look here what else we can get it from here. So it may take a more lengthy time process to process all those things. Now let's see here, options is not allowed. In this case, let's we would like to look it was in the bootstrap and nothing else in this. So we not yet identified any useful information, so now we would like to walk to this. So copyright we build all rights is reserved. Then we are working to improve our website. We will be ready, so we would like to click on contact us, only this one, and it was in New York. Okay, address, so we just type here as uh, just try here as unable to load a PHP mail from the library. So we are working hard to improve well for a ready. So, but we not yet get any useful informations here, including this one. Now, how we would like to go further. So, for further, I didn't get any useful informations here to go. So I don't know what this. We are working to improve a website. Website means as a project. Uh, Project or project management, it's only a small thing, so we would like to try with that. Let's see. It was not CV name options 803 request, it's no have anything useful information, so just type clear. Now let's come back. So here I have got it here as an project management, that's well and good. So that's great. Now let's come back here. Come back to here, just enter this pay project management. So where we have our email already, so not this one, so this is our email, info@, cheesyjack.local.login. So password is qdpm, so we would like to try this as a default qdpm. Just try to log in. So I have got uh, a wrong thing because no match for the email address or password. That's well and good. Let me show you here. I just type a show mount. So we would like to utilize this one as this username. So just copy, come back, let's just paste it. Then let's come back here. Now, uh, now just close this. Now just copy, come back to here, then you just paste it. Now qdpm, now just log in. Now I have successfully logged in here. Now just click on the projects. Now we just click on view all projects. There is nothing else in the projects. Now we just add a project. uh, Now it will taking a something like, so I don't want to add a something all this nonsense, so I just click on add an attachment. So before adding an attachment, so I just close this. Now let's come back here. uh, we would like to look here as your ipconfig. This is my target IP address, so just copy, just type here as mousepad rshell.php. In this rshell.php, where this is 68, then port is 7890, that's great. And I just type here as clear, you just type netcat minus lvnp 7890. So let's walk to here, click on attachments, just go to a home, then rshell.php, then click on open. Description, so I just click on, so I just need to add something, uh, shell, then click on some fields as required, name shell, so just come back, so click on save. So where I have uploaded this one. Now where how we can get to this uploaded one. So where it was uploaded, now we would like to look in this a project management. So just copy, come back here, open this. So just type here as clear, you just type a directory buster, then we'll just paste it here in this a directory buster. So let's make closing this. So we would like to look here. I think we are going to get as an uploads. So without, first of all, we would like to manually first we can check, then we can go a further task. Otherwise, we can can't able to guess a blindly. Okay, because when you do a more practice, you can get it more easy way to understand. So these backups, then patch a core a CSS. Then let's see here. So this is another directory. We would like to copy this. We would like to look what is inside there. These are images. Okay. Uh, that's it in that. Now we would like to look this. So even it's have a robots.txt. We would like to look this. It was disallowed. Okay. Let's come back. Now I have got it here as a upload. So we have guessing is 100% right. Now let's open this a uploads uh, attachments. So where I have seen here now rshell.php. Then if you click on this, now let's come back here. We just type here as clear. Now we would like to look this. So where I have get connected to my reverse shell. Now you just type here as ID, we got it here. Now just type here as which Python, you not it get. You just type here as which Python 3, you got it here. You just type here as Python 3 minus C, import a pdy span bin bash, where I have watched here. Now just type here as clear. So just type a export term equal to extra. Now this we have set up. Now just type list minus air. Now just type I just type clear. I just type cd home directory. I just type plus minus air cd grab. I just type plus minus air. I just type cat to do dot So wait, I just do this cat a to-do.txt. So scold Cheesy for a weak QDPM password. So we have done that one. Backup the SSH keys in the where in the backups, okay, and change the cheese weak password to a milk or eggs, and stop putting my groceries list into to-do list. Okay, that's well and good. Now we would like to uh, go to this directory cd, way to a backups. Now just type list minus air. Now just type cd sh back. Now just type clear. Now just type list minus air. Now just type get a key dot back. So where I have got this entirely the sh key until here. So just copy, come back, you just type nano. You just type here as a something like what you just need to do it here is uh, id underscore rsa. You just entirely just paste this, just type control o, control x. Once this you was done, you just type chmod is 600 id underscore rsa. Now just type sh minus I id underscore rsa. Then what is the username is a grab at the rate enter our targeted IP address 192.168.18.100. We just type yes. Now we are going to log in here successfully into the crack, and I just type as export a term equal to extra. That's great. Now just type clear. Now just type id. We are in the crap right now. You can see here we are successfully came here. Now just type here as sudo minus l, where we have got it here as home crab to a bin. So to get a root privilege access, so it seems that can run a script as a root. So now just go to as, just copy, go to this directory. Now we are in the bin. Now just type clear. Now you just need to write a simple program like a echo. We just type as bin bash. Just type here as a run.sh. That's it. Nothing else. Now you just type a chmod 777 run.sh, where we have done here. Now if you run this run.sh, it's not going to be run. So just type here as sudo, just type a run.sh. So where I have successfully came to a root now. You can see here. Now just type id. We are in the root. Now just type a cd a root. Now just type list minus a. Now just type here as cat a root.txt. So oh yeah, you are rooted this box. Congratulations. If you have enjoyed this box, there will be a more coming. Tag me in the Twitter with Cheesy Walk. This is a picture and I will give you in the article. That's it. So we have successfully completed this mission. That's it. So you try it around guys. Thank you guys for watching and keep smiling.